This is how to do incognito mode on Safari on your iPhone, which means that your browsing will be private. None of the websites you visit are going to be stored. And that's really the main reason you use incognito mode. So the first thing you want to do is tap on Safari. In the bottom right corner, we have three dots. This is iOS 26. It was a little different in previous ones, but the latest version, this is how you do it. Here we see new private tab. Tap on that, and we're incognito. It says right here, private browsing. You can pick one of your favorites here. You can tap down here to search, and you will be browsing privately right there. If you open this menu and you don't see the option to have a private tab, there's likely a restriction set through screen time on your phone. This is how you can fix it. You might have to ask permission from the person who set up your screen time, but if you have access to it or you know who they are, you can ask them to do these steps. Go to settings, then scroll down to see content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that to open it. Then tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And here we have web content, unrestricted in my case. Tap on that. If you don't see the option to have a private browsing window, it's likely you don't have unrestricted selected. You probably have only approved websites. So if you need to have that changed or want to have that changed, this is how you can go about doing that. But you have to contact the person who set up your screen time if you didn't do it yourself. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which is going to show you how to empty the trash on your iPhone. Sounds weird, but it's useful and it can free up a lot of space. So check out that video and I'll see you there.